Okay, so in this video, I will teach you how to fix network not working or network connection not working. So as you can see over here, when I turn on my data over here, you will see that nothing is going to appear over here. Even if I go to my WhatsApp app, you will see that there is no message coming. Did you get me? Let me try post something like my status, good morning. Okay, let me type in how are you. How are you guys? So let me choose a different color. Okay, let me take this one. So tap on it. You will see that it's not gonna get sent. So as you can see over here, it says what? It says sending. So as you can see, it says sending and it's not going to send because the connection is not that strong. So what you have to do is you have to first of all check your bundle. So if you find this problem on your phone, what you have to do is to, you know, check your connection very well. After that, check whether you have data bundle, or if you have a Wi-Fi, or if you are using a Wi-Fi, you have to check whether the Wi-Fi connection is very strong. So this is how to, fix internet connection or data bundle, or so this is how to fix internet connection problem not working. So this is how to fix internet connection not working. So if you have a problem with your internet or with your data, what you have to do is to first check your network or your Wi-Fi, whether your Wi-Fi or your data, whether it's strong or not. So if it's not enough, you have to, you know, turn it off and turn it on, so it's going to work for you. And if this is not also working for you, what you have to do is to turn on your data, and after that turn on your airplane mode, and you will see that all your data connections over here or your network is going to lose. As you can see, we have the airplane mode over here. So this is what I'm talking about. So this is the airplane mode. This. So as you can see over here, this is the airplane mode. So that's it. So as you can see, it's over here. So after turning on your airplane mode, just click on it for it to refresh. So when it refresh like this, it says no service. So wait for it to come. So let's wait a while. It's gone. So as you can see, it has appeared over here. So tap on it and you will see that everything will be working successfully for you. Thanks very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends.